Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I'm at the Restore. I'm out in the parking lot. I just got done inside. I stopped taking a video before I went inside because sometimes they don't have anything. But it's Thursday and I'm on my annual, weekly trip to town. I have to do my shopping, return pop bottles, which is a whole nother story we won't get into. I put on my mask and charged bravely into the Restore to see just exactly what they had. While I was in there, I found a few things. One of them is this. And then this is another one. The rest of the stuff's in the toolbox, so I'm not going to stand outside in the rain to show you. But it was an interesting trip. They had a whole lot of stuff again. Somebody dropped off this face of the earth and left their stuff at the Restore. That's what happens. So anyways, if you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.